Good evening. It's April 8th, and today's bird for an evening is the evening grosbeak. This is the evening grosbeak. It's really beautiful. It's got a really fat beak, so it can eat big seeds. You might see them at feeders around this time. Evening grosbeak. Cocothrustis vespertinus. Common but irregular in mixed forests. Almost always seen perched in treetops or at bird feeders. Feeds mainly on insects and seeds of trees. Large and short-tailed with massive head and bill. Male unmistakable. On female, note pale bill and greenish nape. Voice. Song apparently a regular repetition of call notes. Call a high, sharp, ringing trill. Clear! Flock gives a low, dried, rattling thurr. Here's that really cool evening grosbeak. I saw one of these for the first time at Rainier National Park. They're really beautiful, and I hope to see one here in Massachusetts soon.